So for the top part, I'm going to do over the shoulder look, and I just hemmed under and made a casing for the elastic for the neckband, and cut off the cloth so that it probably goes halfway down my chest, and then I put some seam binding here, and then I'm going to add some lace in here and in here to fancy it up, and then I need to join the skirt and the this top to form a dress, and then I have a few more elements to add to it in the end. So there's a lot of hand sewing to do right now, so it's going to be a little while. So I'd actually started this as a top off the shoulder part for another project, and then went with something else. But now I can use this part to put on a modified t-shirt top, and then add other bottoms to it to make, and maybe a little lace to make this a really nice, comfy t-shirt dress type thing with an off-the-shoulder element to it. So we'll see how it goes. I've got all the pieces here from other projects that I've made. So the first step, I will have to remove the sleeves from the t-shirt and do some modifications to the t-shirt so that it will fit properly with the off-the-shoulder part. So first part, cut off the shoulders and see where it goes. So with my handy dandy ruler and some lines on the floor, I made sure I drew a straight line, and I've pinned everything so that when I cut, I'll cut straight across. I'm going to remove the top portion and sew the bottom portions to the neckline of the original part for the off-the-shoulder part of the dress. Since the off-the-shoulder part you won't be seeing anyway, it won't matter that there's something written on the t-shirt. So it makes use of a t-shirt that I might not have been able to make use of anyway. So all that took was a ruler and a piece of tailor chalk. Okay, so I sewed the body part to the shoulders, and now I've pinned a second part onto the first part, and I'll determine from that where I'll go from there, but it will make an over-the-shoulder look, and there'll be a bodice to it, and from there we'll see where it goes. So I just have to French seam this, which means I sew this direction first, and then I turn it around and sew the other direction so that nothing frays or comes apart. So I got the first and second sections added to the shoulders part, and now I'm going to add one more part, and then I'm going to finish it off in some fancier method and just bring the whole thing together. So the next step is to pin and French seam the last part there, and then we can look at the finishing off part. Okay, so I finally finished my project, and as you can see, the top goes to the t-shirt material, which makes it comfy like a t-shirt, but with the lace tiers, it gives it kind of a classy, summery, happy feel, and this kind of dresses it up and brings it all together. And this is the back of it. And this is the whole project. Thank you for watching our video. Please remember to like and subscribe.